All right, this is Seth Chancellor with Mrs. Blooming at the McCook Senior High School about the library's new features and additions. So what are the new features and additions in the library?
It's really exciting what happened over the summer in the library. They did remodel. They did remodel everything. They tore out all the walls, all the shelving in the walls, and brought in carpet, dropped the ceiling, new lighting. So it is a completely different room.
Will there be any more following additions to the library this year?
Hopefully we'll have some more shelves added so we can finish putting our books on the shelves. But then I think we'll be pretty much completed.
Has the remodel made it easier for students to locate the books in the library?
I don't know as far as locating the books. I think the technology piece of it and just socializing and maybe classroom work has been easier. As far as the way the shelves or the books are shelved, it's the same.
Have you seen an increase in the number of students that have showed up into the library?
I would say there's an increase in traffic, maybe not in circulation, but we do have a lot more kids coming in and working together.
Have there been any books added to the library?
We are continuing to add books all the time. We do have another shipment that should be coming in shortly. And if anybody would like a book or anything, they're more than welcome to come up and we'll get it ordered.
Are there more or less books in the library before and after the remodeling?
We have exactly the same number of books, except for we have added some already this year, so we will continue to grow.
Have the students been using the computers in the library more or less since the iPads?
As far as just getting on the computers and during work, I would say that the iPads have been able to allow students to do that, and so that traffic has dropped down, but we still have students coming up and printing off of the computers.
Has going one-on-one affected the library a lot?
I don't think it's really affected things a lot as far as circulation of books and what kids need. It might be easier for them to get their work done.
Do you think we'll ever be able to check out books from the iPads?
Our goal eventually is to get ebooks added to our circulation, and so then kids can get it onto their iPads. Right now, our card catalog is online, so they will be able to access the card catalog through their iPad.
Do you think the school will ever become completely paperless?
I don't think you'll ever go completely paperless. There's some that prefer the paper, but it will be a challenge to see what happens.